Good morning, viewers. Yes, it is a very good morning. It is about 9 o'clock, I think, 9:30, something like that. And I'm changing my accommodation for the next few days. It was always my intention here to stay at one place for a few days, move on to the next place, different locations around the island, different little towns as I'm discovering. And so yeah, I've been on Koh Chang for 3 days and it is absolutely bloody brilliant here. Like, it's one of the most chilled out places I've ever been. So where am I right now? I'm glad you've asked. I am at the Bae Viewpoint. I hope I've said that correctly. Or in English, it's Bae Viewpoint. And I nearly rode past this a couple of times because I've been staying nearby. But I finally turned off, and yes, it's overcast, it's been pouring with rain, it's very humid, but at the moment it's still quite cool. But have a look at this. This place is the epitome of what you would expect when you think about a very tropical island, certainly here in Thailand. So what you can see here is the Bae Viewpoint. It's a beautiful sunset scenery on the west side of Koh Chang. You can see 4 islands from the viewpoint, namely Koh Nai, Koh Nok, Koh Pli, Koh Yuak. Especially Koh Nai. At low tide, you can walk onto Koh Nai, which is the biggest island out there. You can see on the bottom left-hand side. So you won't be able to pick it up on the camera, but there are people over there. There's some people kayaking over there, people swimming over there. I would estimate it to be 100, 150 metres from shoreline to shoreline. But absolutely beautiful all through here. So we'll walk up here where they've got just a little coffee shop, cafe. What do they sell? They've got juices, smoothies, tea, coffee and sodas. A lot of ice creams in there as well. So you can get your refreshments. I think I saw a couple of croissants there. And there's another level of the viewpoint up here as well, which the view just gets even better. Yes, it is overcast, but it's that time of year. The rainy season is coming into motion at the moment, so to be expected. It is certainly not cold, and because we've had a fair bit of rain over the last couple of nights, it is very, very humid. Okay, so I'm just leaving the lookout now. As you can see, it absolutely bucketed down for about half an hour, 45 minutes. So I did nothing for half an hour, 45 minutes. But it has created a lot of puddles and the roads are very wet. And I'm fully loaded, so we'll take it easy. I am now on my way to a hotel recommended to me by Niels. Thanks, mate. Well, thanks if it's good. He says it is, so I'm making my way there and see what it's like.